on, bounce back faster. Hey! No, wait!
My ball better not be stuck in a bush.
There it is! Move out of the way, tree! Hoo! Help! Oof. Where am I?
Greetings, young traveler. Visitors are rare in these waning days.
I need to get back up there. Show me the exit right now.
Demands bear no weight here. The grove's heart, the great Lumina, is fading.
Whoa. It looks sick. Why is it doing that?
It thrives on the words of light, but the surface world has forgotten them. It needs sun gems to awaken. 3 sun gems fell nearby. Bring them back, and you shall find your way home.
I understand, Barnaby. I'll get them. Fine! I'll get them myself and get out of here! Hey! Wake up and cross over! I'm in a hurry!
No manners, no passage.
The citizens of the Grove require respect, Leo. Force will not unfold them.
Fine. How do I get it to move then?
Try asking with kindness. Use the first word of light. Please.
Please. Mr. Bridge? Could you please stretch out so I can cross?
Ah, such a lovely word! Pass safely, young man!
Wow, it actually worked. I got the first one. Oh. Wow. One down. Where's the next path, Barnaby?
The second gem lies beyond the Whispering Waters, but the ferryman is stubborn.
Oh, right. Hey, Turtle, take us to the other side right now.
Sigh. My ears only hear voices that carry the weight of courtesy.
I'm sorry. Mr. Turtle, could you please give us a ride across the river?
Welcome aboard, young traveler. Step onto the deck.
It's so much faster when I just say please. The whole world listens.
There it is, the second one. Wow. Thank you, Mr. Turtle, for bringing us across. You're the best!
You are most welcome, young man. Gratitude makes the river flow sweet. Brilliant work, Leo. Now the final path awaits. The Canopy of Zephyrs.
Wow, we're really high up. Look at the leaves float.
Whirl! Twirl! No one gets the star gem unless they can catch me. I don't want to chase you, Mr. Sprite. Could we please have the gem for the Lumina tree? Here is the Emerald Sun Gem. Thank you for being so sweet. Thank you so much. You're amazing, and your wind is beautiful.
You have learned well, young master. Let us return and heal the great Lumina.
We did it, Barnaby! We got all three!
Okay, Big Tree. We're gonna make you feel all better now.
Place the gems within the heart slots, Leo. Speak the words that give them life.
Please. Flow with life again. And please. Show everyone your beauty.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Woohoo! Incredible!
The grove is saved. The words of light have restored the heart.
My soccer ball. It's back.
Your gateway home is open, Leo. A polite heart can traverse any boundary.
Thank you, Barnaby. I'll miss you.
Thank you for everything, Barnaby. I'll never forget my manners again.
Go on, young master. Make your world a brighter place, one kind word at a time.
Goodbye, Barnaby! Thank you!
Leo, dinner's ready. Come inside. Coming, Mom. Thank you so much.